Like you, the Charlotte Chess Center has been busy planning and preparing for a safe alternative to our in-person programs. We've spoken with and listened to many parents, teachers, school leaders, and the scholars themselves. We know that it will be important for your child to maintain as much normalcy as can be expected, including access to a variety of enrichment activities. The Charlotte Chess Center's master coaching staff is ready, and we hope your scholar will join us for a fun, safe, and interactive virtual session of chess. Your scholar will enjoy remote, live, interactive lessons, activities, games, and tournaments to stimulate social enrichment, and learn from our master coaches who have years of experience and who have been trained in our minimal, kid-safe technology platforms to ensure smooth, effective functioning of the chess club. Your child will not be lost in the technology. Each week, your child will engage with our live coaches and his or her classmates for 60 minutes. Within the hour, students will participate in interactive chess lessons, which include fun chess activities and live games. Homework drills and even tournaments against other schools will also be available for students who want chess beyond the live lesson. For more details and to register, please visit www.charlottechesscenter.org. Thank you for helping us live our mission to help kids play a game they'll love and benefit from for a lifetime.